Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best home treadmills that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based on my personal opinion and hours of research, and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you want to see more information and the updated price, you can check out the description below. And also, make sure to subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Coming in at number 5 is the ZPU FDYM Portable Treadmill for Home. This treadmill is designed for ultimate portability, making it a great option for smaller spaces or for those looking to integrate light exercise into their workday. It features a 3.0 HP motor and a removable desk workstation, which allows you to walk while working, making it ideal for home offices. While its compact design is a plus, the ZPU FDYM treadmill falls short when compared to competitors in terms of build quality and user experience. With a maximum weight capacity of 280 pounds and a relatively small running surface, it may not be suitable for all users. Additionally, its simplified feature set lacks advanced options like incline adjustment, meaning you may not get the versatility found in more premium models. The customer reviews also indicate mixed opinions, with some users appreciating its space-saving design, but others highlighting build quality concerns. Ultimately, this treadmill is best suited for casual users who want a basic, portable solution for light walking. If you're looking for a more feature-rich option or something for more intense workouts, you might want to look further up this list. At number 4, we have the Absorption Folding Treadmill for Home. This model shines with its 3.0 horsepower, quiet brushless motor, which provides a smoother and quieter workout compared to traditional motors. With speeds ranging from 0.5 to 8.5 miles per hour and an 8% manual incline, this treadmill is perfect for those wanting to add variety to their walking or running routines. Its LED display is simple and functional, giving you all the essential metrics at a glance. The treadmill also features a spacious 41.34-inch running belt with a 5-layer shock absorption system, ensuring a comfortable stride. However, the design is somewhat bulky when folded, and while it's portable, it may not be the best choice for those with extremely limited space. The build quality is solid, and it supports up to 265 pounds, but the lack of advanced connectivity options, like app integration, may be a drawback for tech-savvy users. This treadmill is ideal for users looking for a balance between performance and affordability. If you want a reliable treadmill for general fitness without breaking the bank, this model is worth considering. Coming in at number 3 is the WellFit Treadmill for Home Small. This ultralight treadmill weighs just 29 pounds and is designed specifically for compact spaces, making it an excellent option for apartments or home offices. The standout feature here is its 10% incline, which allows you to simulate uphill walking for a more intense workout. Additionally, its 2.5 HP quiet motor ensures a noise-free experience, perfect for working from home. The WellFit treadmill is compatible with fitness apps like KinoMap and Apple Health, enabling users to track progress and personalize their workouts. However, its maximum speed of 4 miles per hour limits it to walking and light jogging, which may not be enough for users who want a more intense cardio workout. Its narrow running belt and lower weight capacity of 265 pounds might also be restrictive for some. This treadmill is best suited for those prioritizing space-saving convenience and gentle, joint-friendly exercise. It's perfect for anyone looking to integrate fitness seamlessly into their daily routine, especially in smaller living spaces. In second place, we have the Rayspace 2025 Upgrade Walking Pad Treadmill. This treadmill is packed with features, starting with its 3.5 HP motor and a maximum speed of 6 miles per hour, which caters to both walkers and light runners. The 8% incline is a game changer, allowing you to burn up to 150% more calories compared to flat treadmills. With a weight capacity of 330 pounds and a spacious 36-inch running belt, it's a versatile option for a variety of users. The inclusion of a FitShow-compatible smart app, a remote control, and a user-friendly LED display further enhance the workout experience. Its shock absorption system, featuring 10 silicone shock absorbers, makes it a great choice for individuals concerned about joint health. However, at 46 pounds, it's slightly heavier than other compact models, which may make it less portable. This treadmill is ideal for users seeking a balance between compact design and advanced features. Whether you're a busy professional or an at-home fitness enthusiast, the race-based treadmill offers excellent value for its price. And finally, the number one treadmill on our list is the well-fit heavy-duty treadmill for home. This model is the ultimate choice for those looking for a high-performance treadmill with robust features. Powered by a 4.0 horsepower motor, it offers speeds from 1 to 10 miles per hour and supports a massive weight capacity of 450 pounds, making it suitable for a wide range of users. The running area is an impressive 45 inches long and 20 inches wide, providing ample space for comfortable strides. This treadmill also features a 5% manual incline, pulse sensors for heart rate monitoring, and a Bluetooth-enabled console with a built-in speaker system. The 8-point shock absorption system ensures a joint-friendly workout, while the LED display provides real-time metrics like speed, distance, and calories burned. While it's a bit heavier and less portable than other models, its sturdy build and advanced features more than make up for it. The well-fit heavy-duty treadmill is perfect for serious runners, fitness enthusiasts, and anyone looking for a premium treadmill for home use. With its exceptional performance and thoughtful design, it's worth every penny. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.